A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Hyacinth Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts chapter 14 from verse 21 to verse 28. Them preach the good news in a Durba, and a whole heap of people believe in a Jesus. Then go back a Lystra, Iconium, and Antioch. I help the people them we believe in a Jesus to get strong in what them believe. Them tell them to hang on upon the truth where them believe about Jesus. Them tell them say, we have to go through enough sufferation to get in a God kingdom. In all of the church them, Paul and Barnabas pick elder give them to lead them. And after they spend time at pray and keep away from food, Paul and Barnabas turn the leader them and the church people them over to the Lord Jesus, where them believe in. After Paul and Barnabas pass through Pisidia, them go to Pamphylia. And after them preach God's word to the Perga people them left and go down at Attalia. The two of them left Attalia and sail back to Antioch. At Antioch, them did left from after the people them we believe in a Jesus, did pray for them and send them to go preach God's word to other people. Them did ask God to take care of them and bless them. Now that them done the work, then come back to the church people where they'd send them out. When them reach Antioch, Paul and Barnabas gather up the church people them and tell them everything where God did give them power to do. And God give the people who are not Jew the chance to believe in him. And them turn with the people at Antioch we believe in a Jesus for a long time. And God WOD this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.